Early voting is underway, and all this week we've been walking you through the 17 proposed amendments to the Texas Constitution that are on the ballot. Today, let's hone in on two propositions that would offer tax breaks to business owners. Right now, animal feed is generally a tax-free item in Texas. Farmers don't pay property taxes on the feed when it's harvested, and ranchers don't have to pay taxes when they buy and store it. But businesses do have to pay property taxes when it's sitting in storage waiting to be sold. That would change if Prop 5 passes. What you'll see on the ballot can be a lot to digest there, right? But all this means is this prop gives the legislature permission to enact a new law so that the owner of a retail store would not have to pay property taxes on its animal feed inventory. Lawmakers already passed that bill, but it's up to you to decide if it will go into effect. Now, supporters say this could save farmers and ranchers money in a time when they could use a little help. And the Legislative Budget Board, which estimates how much bills will cost the state, reports Prop 5 won't have a significant financial impact. But some people think other businesses have to pay taxes on their inventory, so why should animal feed be any different? Speaking of business taxes, right now, local taxing entities, think cities, counties, schools, can tax businesses for the personal property they use as part of their property taxes. That's things like computers, vehicles, and manufacturing equipment. It's called income producing or tangible personal property. The state offers businesses a $2,500 property tax exemption for items businesses use to run their business. But Proposition 9 would increase that. Here's what you'll see on the ballot. Again, it is more ad valorem taxation and tangible personal property. But all this really means is that the legislature could enact a bill that, again, has already passed and been signed into law to increase the exemption on tangible personal property to $125,000. Now, supporters say it will ease the tax burden on small businesses. Opponents point out the legislature isn't giving cities, schools, or those other taxing entities any more money to make up for the tax dollars they won't collect. But the choice is up to you, Texas. Now remember, this is the only weekend you have to cast a ballot before the November 4th election. So to find out where you can cast your vote or what's on your ballot, text the word VOTE to 512-459-9442 and we'll send you a link to the KVUE Voter Guide.